For that, we turn to Brianna Ruffalo.
Yeah, awesome if you like temperatures above 100 degrees in some spots. I mean, it's so hot out there, especially inland. For our desert communities, we have excessive heat warnings in effect. So there is the potential for heat-related illnesses over the next few days. These are going to be in effect at least through Friday night. So we're talking temperatures into the triple digits, well into the triple digits, down into Palm Springs, getting close to 110 degrees this afternoon. And so it's just going to be hot the next few days. Through the end of the week, we're going to be dealing with this. And it's also going to elevate our fire danger too. It's going to be hot, dry, and we will have some winds picking up in the desert communities and in some of those canyons and passes. So we can take a look. We're already seeing triple-digit heat out into Lancaster, about 100 degrees there. Palm Springs, a little behind that, about 95. But you can see this marine layer, the June gloom, is really keeping those coastal communities fairly cool. And this is going to be the case through the end of the week, keeping the coast cool and mild. And then inland, we're really going to be seeing those temperatures warming up quite a bit. We're at 69 degrees in Los Angeles, 63 out into Hawthorne, and 83 up into Woodland Hills, all because of this ridge of high pressure. It's going to be moving out of the way by the end of the week, though, so just a couple more days of this, and then we will start to cool it down. Los Angeles, Orange County, getting a little warmer there, about to 80 tomorrow, and then we get down to those mid-70s as we head into Friday. For the valleys, the Inland Empire, low 90s through the end of the week. Tomorrow's going to be really similar to today, but again, quite the difference in some spots, with some valleys just in the low 80s, up to some areas getting into the mid-90s, and then we get down to some mid-80s as we head into the weekend, upper 70s by next week. For the beaches, you can see a mild week ahead. Temperatures mostly right around 70 through Saturday, and then we cool it down a little bit to some upper 60s by next week. Mountains, low 80s through the end of the week, staying warm for the mountain communities. We cool off heading into next week. We also have a very slight, tiny chance, 10%, for some thunderstorms to pick up later on Sunday, and then highs just in the upper 60s by next Monday. High desert 102 today. We get down to some mid-90s by tomorrow, and nice to see some 80s back in that forecast as we head into next week. All right, Phillip, Joanne, back.